This is the Pallas cat, and it's not happy to see you. Living high in the mountains of Central Asia, these tiny predators survive where few animals can: freezing winds, thin air, and endless snow. Unlike house cats with vertical slits, the Pallas's cat has round pupils. They're active at dusk, dawn, and sometimes even during the day. They have shorter legs than most cats, perfect for sneaking up on small prey like pikas. Despite their fierce looks, they're shy, solitary, and is considered near threatened, with populations declining due to habitat loss and hunting. Smash that subscribe button if you love this animal.